everyone. Today I am going to show you how to do the laser removal with the Candela Gentle Max Pro. After analyzing our skin type is like 5, so we are going to go with the yard setting. So I'm going to do her arms first. I'm going to do the marking. So we have to check her skin is perfectly fine. Then if something the hair is missing, before like 24 hours we have to ask the client to shave. If not, we can shave little bit. So I'm going to shave. If some few left, we can shave. So for the safety reasons, we are going to protect our eyes with a high safety eyewear. So I'm going to wear as well, and I'm going to give the client as well. Yeah. We did everything, analysis everything with the skin type, then we are going to calibrate the system. So I'm going to do her yacht setting and I'm going to calibrate now. Now the system is getting ready. Yeah. Check the lens whether is it cleaned or not. If not, then we are going to clean the lens.